billion. Oh, I did not. Oh, the struggle bus. The struggle bus. Okay, so let's make sure that we got everything going. Where is my uh-oh mic system? It's a little hot. Let's turn that down just a little bit. Okay. All right. Now go and section going. Yeah, the market is quite whippy this morning from what I've seen. Oh boy. Come on, let's get this going. Don't mess up. Got about 30 minutes. Why I'm doing this stuff so backwards today. All right, there we go. And let's go ahead and jump out here to this. Okay. All right, so this morning for the scans, we're seeing SOXL leading the day up 2% with a whole bunch of other things following it up. The market and the NQ and all of that stuff is definitely looking very, very bullish. So SOXL looking very good with NQ going up there. There was quite a bit of a battle like a minute ago between XOXL. There was a huge dump from 28 all the way down to 27, and then it reclaimed all of it. This is why I really don't like trading pre-market, because you never know when big money is going to be playing around in here. And between this drop and then all the way back up, a $2 rip back up, that looks like market play. Now, we do want to remember that yesterday was the debates, and so today can be quite whippy, whipping back and forth. I'm probably not even going to get the trade today because I'm going to be hitting the road in like just a few minutes. I just want to get a stream out and kind of look over the market real quick before the day gets going. Back over to the scans though, the things that I am seeing out of the open, I see Nvidia up, I see XOXL up, but I don't see any large gainers like up, 4%, 5%, going on to 10%. Don't see anything like that for right now with range. Now these have historical range as well. So if you're looking at something that's got a little bit smaller range, yours might look a little bit different than my scans, but this is all I care about, and it's why I'm green, so I'm going to stick to doing it this way. But yeah, XOXL, nice and green. Nvidia, TQQ, QQQs, and right now it's kind of like an indecision point as far as everything going green. The NQ has transitioned. It was red all morning. QQQs is now green, and then the SPY is the last thing that needs to come green. It literally has a speck before it goes green. So I'm thinking a very bullish market overall. If I was going to be watching anything to trade, it would probably be XOXL, but knowing how whippy it got this morning, I'll be kind of cautious on today, because I mean a $2 drop, even though it reclaimed it, that's still probably got somebody trapped up in there. Probably got some people jumping in that were like, oh man, this thing's about to dump. took a little ride up. This thing's about to dump, and all of them got caught down here. And this wasn't a quick thing. I was sitting here watching it. Like it came down here and traded in the 27s and 70s and all that, and acted like it had pressure down here, and then just popped back up. It was pretty fascinating. But yeah, interesting morning we got going. We have about 20 minutes to the bell. And let's go and actually look at the news and see what was reported from the. I'm sure there's some reports from the debates. Um, let's see what they're saying here. Okay, consumer prices rise at the slowest pace since early 2021. Um, check check out somebody's messaging me. Let's see. That's the wrong one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. All right. So I'll get back to that. In a fire debate, Harris embraces all of the above energy. What does that mean? Did Harris join the all of above energy club? Appears so. In one of the few substantial policy exchanges during Tuesday nights, um, in one of the few substantial. Oh, that's funny. Okay, Vice President talked more expansively about her energy approach than she has in other appearances to date. She also tried to offer a bit more explanation of her reversal on the issue of fracking ban. Uh, my position is blah blah blah. Okay. I'll look at that later. I ain't got time for that today. I ain't got time, cuz. Man, I did not know that kid that made that original video. I got time, cuz he got I think he like I believe he passed away this year or last year. I forgot when he did, but man, I got time today, cuz. Crazy. Crazy. Let me see. Trump trades are being dialed back even more after the US debate. Buffett's Berkshire offloads. Trump media plummets as Harris victory bets rise. Okay. And I think his thing is DJT. So let me go look at DJT. This plummet. Oh, yes. DJT is plummeting. Does this one pay a dividend? You know, I'm always interested. Nope, no dividend. Okay. But it is down 15%. Dropped from 1923 down here to the 15, so a $4 drop. Okay, in the meantime, while we're waiting, let's go over my some of the things that are still sticking on my dividend list here. Trade. Okay, so a couple of things I've been watching. Let's see. So I've been watching IEP drop. They had a little bit of a lawsuit. They've been coming down, but they do pay a crazy dividend. Been waiting for them to crack under 10. Vail is another one. It came under 10 but didn't hold. Just came down there briefly. Pays a quarterly dividend of 37 cents. IEP pays a dividend of $1 quarterly. Um, so that's every 3 months you'll get $1. So if you get 100 shares, Vail. I was watching Walgreens continue to fall through the floor, and just wondering when it's going to kind of slow down. The reason I was watching it is because I've been watching the holders of Walgreens. So coming over here to finance and WBA. Yahoo Finance, you can always see the holders very easily. It's a little bit more user friendly than Market Watch or some of the other ones. You literally just go here to holders and look at these guys who are holding it. So we got Vanguard out here, and this was reported on June 30th. So these could have changed, but I'm just looking at possible people that will be holding with me, right? So Vanguard, we know BlackRock. Let's see who else. Morgan Stanley, Charles Schwab Investment Management. So there's some pretty big names, and then top mutual fund holders, Vanguard, Fidelity. A lot of people still in the Walgreens boat, but again, this was updated on June 30th. So I want to see what happens on the next update. Let's see, January, February, March, April, May, June. I'm waiting for the next report to kind of see if people have dumped out of this or what. Is Vanguard dropping their shares? Because it's been, let's see, so June 30th, let's look at the actual, this is on the monthly chart. So this is June, January, February, March, April, May, June. June is it's the 6th. So 6, it was up here somewhere. And this is where the report came from. And now this thing is down almost 20 something dollars to $8. So I want to see how the holders change. Have people jump ship or what? And I already got a screenshot of the holders so I can do a comparison. But yeah, just watching. And then Vail, waiting for it to revisit down here under $7, going towards 5 and all of this stuff. It, like I said, what I'm looking for is a repeat of history. So it's been up to 40 something dollars, been up to 30 something dollars. And if I get it around 7, I'm not too worried about it falling more. I'll just buy more. Another one I traded and I really wish I would have held. I wanted to get this one lower. It came down to, this is where I got in the first time, around 13, $14 on this one, on HR, and it is now up to $18. And I really don't know if I will ever get it back down here. Maybe, but I don't know. I just gotta wait. If it doesn't happen, I'll just invest in something else. Intel is another one I've been watching. Intel continued to drop down. It's at 18.98 right now, and just looking for it to drop more. You know, drop back into these levels down here and see if now if it can crack down 10. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to put all of my efforts towards Intel. But we'll see. And then another one I've been watching is BEN. Now my scans have not updated, but these are just some that I've actually have on my static watch list that I'm constantly just like, or not constantly, but just seeing where they're going, just seeing how they're bleeding. All right, let's jump back over to the day trades. Let's see what SOXL and the markets are doing. Are they snapping back again? Let's see. Where is my scans? Okay, my scans are not populating. I may have to close that and reopen, but that's okay. I'll do that. So I'll close this real quick. Sometimes when you switch profiles, I mean, there's ways to update the scan without just shutting it down, but shutting it down and bringing it back up is the quickest way. So it's whatever. And now, TOS is freezing. Interesting. Yeah, so that was a TOS issue. Let's see if it'll pop back up. There we go. See, and this is why I'm kind of glad I'm just gonna be chill today. I'm like, storms coming in. We're probably gonna lose power, and that's what I'm going out to deal with today. On a couple of sites is prep for the storm, prep for power outages and things like that. Cause I don't feel like losing a bunch of data. All right, let's open this back up. Okay, there we go. All right, so back out here to SOXL, still pumping on up. I mean, the market is just crazy bullish today. Crazy bullish. 8 million shares traded on it, about 10 minutes left to the open. And I just would not. I don't know if today will be the day to be trading against the market. I'm just like, when it's looking this big and looking this powerful, I'm like, I'm gonna take my time because now if we look over here on the scans, we can see NQ is green, QQQs are green, SPY is green. So you have to ask yourself, what will going short against the market really do for you, right? So I'd rather when I see all three of these doing this, and it's like, yeah, I'm thinking if I go short, it's gonna take my shoes. Okay, but anyway, let's see. TQQs, VRT. What is this one? Nothing. Let's just separate by volume right now, which is NVIDIA leading the way, then XOXL, and then XOSS. And this is the one that I wouldn't touch today because I like my shoes. So, but XOXL could be some scalp potential if you're going long. If you are going short the market, I mean, XOXS probably could help you with some shorting. Shorting, it may be continuing down, but again, like I said, the debates were yesterday, so we kind of got to see the true feeling of the market today. Um, I'm actually going to have to end the stream at 8:30. Um, because yeah, I got to get out of here. Seriously. But I just wanted to look over the market and just kind of see. But I will show you guys the ATRs before I get off. So they'll populate like a second after the market opens, and I'll go ahead and show you guys, flip through that real quick for the NQ, QQQs, all of that stuff. Or NQ, is it already there? No, it's not already there. Okay. Well, yeah, I just show you guys those, and then we'll go ahead and call it, and I'm gonna hit the road, get the driving. And I don't believe in trading while driving, so not gonna be doing anything that way. Got about a hour, 30-minute road trip there, then like a couple hours some other places. So I'm just gonna chill out. I am green on the week, green on the month, and all of that good stuff. Let me show you all about these. So since I've been using, so I started using this system in on May 1st. Started using this system on May 1st, and I've been just rolling with it, man. Rolling with the punches, you know. Where is my browser tab? Okay, so here we are. Um, right now I've taken 86 of the 100 trades that I want to take. I Let me go to winners and losers. Select widgets. Winners, losers. Winners, losers. No. Total winners, total losers. Okay, here we go. All right, so looking like, man, I should have put that in a different order. But okay, so looking like out of these 86 trades, I've had 61 winners and 25 losers, which leaves me with a 70.93% win rate. I'm pretty green, been green this week and this month and all of that stuff. And just kind of taking my time and looking for the best quality setups. But yeah, things are going well on that front. Let me go back to the news. That's what I was looking at. 7 minutes left to the 8:30. And let's go to Yahoo. We did our little dividend run through. Consumer prices rise, blah, blah, blah. We already seen all that. Trump media plummets. We looked at that. Why Boeing should be kicked out of the Dow. That's an opinion. GameStop slumps as revenue drop fans turn around. Doubts that wait. Revenue slumps as revenue drop fans turn around doubts. I don't know. Consumer inflation continued to slow in August. All right, all right, all right. Harris touts record oil boom in rare embrace of fossil fuels. Oil boom? I seen oil come. Let me see. I don't know about oil boom, but the prices have come down. I'm not gonna lie. They definitely came down. And the SPY continues to rip upward. But oil was at when I traded it back in, what was that, early this year? I think it was early this year. No, it was from December. I had bought it back in December of last year and traded it. I sold like, what was it, like before May? It was before May when I sold, but and that was, I bought it at around 74 and sold it around 81, and then now it's down to 67 here. Let me jump over to the larger time frame so you can see what I'm looking at over here. But the price of oil is definitely coming on down per barrel. So I'm guessing supply either increased. I mean, the value hasn't gone down, so the supply definitely probably increase in some type of way. I don't know if they, oh, I forgot they released more oil into circulation. That's what it is. And that lowered prices. So yeah. We'll see if it wants to break down 60s. Man, I can't believe oil was down here at $6 at one point during 2020. $6 and then shot up to 120. Now we didn't see the prices at the pump go this low, but you know, in on the market, on the charts, it definitely went that low in price per barrel. All right, now we're coming into the open. We have less than 5 minutes to go. And NVIDIA is leading the way as a range mover, has a ATR of $6.48. It is moving with the market. The market is extremely bullish right now. SOXL looking like it wants to go back towards 30 bucks. It's up 2% right now, though not a big gapper. Kind of got to see if it tries to shake out weak hands. But as long as it stays green, this will be the way that I'll be going, especially with the NQ and everything else green. I mean, really green. They're about, NQ's looking like it wants to break back over 19,000. And then SOXS just getting destroyed, pushed. Well, not really destroyed. It's only down 2%, but getting pushed down. Tesla, I'm surprised it's not green with this big SPY movement and the market moving up. It's usually right on the market's tails. But I'm pretty sure it will react. If we look at the beta scores for these, NVIDIA has a 1.71, which isn't the strongest, but isn't the weakest. So it's going to eventually follow, you know, market sentiment. XOXL beta of 4.36, which is extremely reactive to the markets. SOXS, same thing, extremely reactive. TQQs pretty reactive, strongly reactive. QQQs, pretty much a one-to-one with the markets. And then let's see, everything else here is pretty much not really doing much. People know what they want to trade. And so I would just focus on these top ones that are getting that nice volume. NVIDIA, SOXL, and SOSX. Maybe these top five, really, top five in volume. Tesla, TQQ, and these four. All right, let's jump back over here to Tesla. Why are you dumping, Tesla? What in the world? Anyway, over to NVIDIA. Is it doing the same thing? Nope. NVIDIA is still pushing up. But yeah, I would not be bearish on today. I think that's what I was talking about yesterday. I think I was like, yo, I'm going in with a bullish bias because I saw this turnaround right here. I saw this turnaround and I traded this drop here. So I got my money on this drop and then it came down here and absolutely boomed back up. I was like, yeah, tomorrow probably going to be pretty bullish. That's the way I'm going to be looking. So and today, actually, let's go back. Today, we can see the ATR is already out here. It is above the ATRs on the NQ. ATR low is down here. This is where it tested during pre-market and bounced all the way back through this, and now it's holding up this ATR. Um, I really don't know when I'll be going back bearish. I'm just completely in a bullish mindset right now on the market. But we're about to get the open. If you guys seen anything else out here in the streets, definitely let us know in the chat. Actually, I'm probably not gonna have time to look at it, but I can talk. Well, it'll be later on in the day. I won't even be able to do Discord, so it'll be later on in the day when I can kind of chime in on some of this stuff. Let's see. All right, 15 seconds left. Nvidia. We'll watch SOXL. I don't know what to watch, man. Let's watch NQ out of the open. This is the determining factor. SPY going back red right now, which is not good. Now it's a little bit of indecision on my part. Like, okay, why is the SPY going red? Is the QQQ, NQ, are they going to transition too? I'm not sure. So NQ, look at that coming on down right out of the open. Okay, touching this ATR high here. ATR high at 18,874.69. Little bounce there, kind of just checking it out. Does it want to go ahead and dump through that? Don't know. Okay, there it goes. All right, so a little bit of indecision at the ATR. They're like, man, do we really want to hold this thing up? And now it's coming on down. Let's go ahead and jump over to Nvidia as well. ATR high is up here at the 109.85. It hit it and came back down. ATR low is at the 108.93. And it's getting some pushback at the ATR. People be like, man, I believe they use all kinds of stuff. But like what I've seen, the strength when it comes to an ATR, it's like, I rather know where the ATRs are than, something like VWAP or something like that. Because it's just 80% of the time when it comes to the ATR, bro, it hits and it's like people think about it. They're like, what's going to happen next? And then they continue trading. It's like, it makes people pause. Or at least the pros, the prop firms and things like that, right? It may not make everybody pause because I know everybody doesn't use ATRs. So they may be like, oh, this thing's above VWAP, I'm holding. Nvidia pushing up to the moon. NQ's pulled back up very, very much here. Pulling off back up over these ATRs, looking like it's staying bullish. Okay, so overall, SPY, why are you dumping? Is my question. Why are you even red? Why? Makes no sense. QQQs are up, everything's up, and the SPY's going towards the lows. I just don't like all that. That makes no sense to me. If we look on the larger time frames, though, we can see that the SPY going towards this ATR low, I just got some issues with this SPY doing this. It just doesn't make sense. Everything else looks this bullish. Maybe it's going to take some time today, but it is green on the day. I still would not be going short on the overall market. Let's look at SOXS. Just dumping. So it's behaving like it should. Just dumping. Down 3%. All right. Well, I'm about to get ready to go ahead and shut this thing down. Again, I'm still bullish minded on the day with all of these. SOX said, oh my goodness, Nvidia is absolutely lacerating shorts, incinerating shorts. But it's the first 15 minutes, so you can't get too excited. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to jump out of here, hit the road. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you enjoy the content, definitely subscribe. I'll be back on Friday if I have power. If I have power after this storm comes through. So I will let you guys know in Discord. Hopefully, it's not too much damage, but it could go either way. Let me think. Anything else? I think that's it. Okay. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Um, another day, another dollar. I'm gonna make it one way or another, whether it's work or trading. So just trying to stay consistent and not give up too much of my wins, right? Make the wins bigger than the losers and then keep more money than I give back to the market, right? Don't want to be paying too many bills out here because I'm pretty sure, in the past I paid a lot of light bills. Anyway, that's it for today. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.